Are you looking for the best windshield treatments? I have compiled a list of top 3 best windshield treatments this year. These are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Adams Perfect Vision Glass Cleaner and Sealant Combo. Adams Polishes never fails to deliver top-notch car care products. This time, we have a set that proves to be very efficient in cleaning and maintaining the windshield. It contains both the glass cleaner and the sealant, so you can properly treat your vehicle right away. The glass cleaner and the sealant feature an eco-friendly formula that doesn't contain ammonia or other harmful chemicals. They are safe to use on the glass and rather efficient, with no streaks or residue. All you need to do is spray and wipe the liquid to enjoy enhanced visibility. The included cleaner will let you get rid of dirt, water, and stubborn stains, and the sealant will leave a protective coat. This way, you'll have a sparkling clean windshield resistant to rain and snow. Additionally, you can use this product on other surfaces such as shower doors, mirrors, windows, and more. The main drawback of this set is the price. Both the cleaner and the sealant come in small bottles and are on the expensive side. You'll get only 2 to 3 applications from the set. On top of that, the products need to be applied frequently. You'll need at least 2 sets to start with. Number 2. Prestone Windshield De-Icer. Available in an ergonomic aerosol spray bottle, the Prestone Windshield De-Icer is a must-have if you live in an area that experiences harsh winter conditions. It's a concentrated ice melting formula that utilizes methanol for melting ice. Methanol is more effective than alcohol in melting ice and doesn't harm your vehicle's paint finish. The solution also contains ethylene glycol that helps to prevent refreezing. On top of the bottle is a strong polycarbonate windshield scraper, which you can use to remove layers of ice stuck on the windshield before applying the treatment. Therefore, it's still helpful even after the solution runs out. You can use it on both the windshield and the wipers. The small quantity is the main downside of the product. It comes in a small 17-ounce container, so you may need to buy more if you also need to cover the rest of your vehicle's windows. Number 3. CRC Ice Off. Dealing with ice on the windshield during winter is one of the most painful things drivers have to do. Luckily, products such as the CRC Ice Off spray can save you from scraping the ice and having numb fingers early in the morning. The Ice Off spray is one of those car care products everyone should use for regular maintenance. The reasons for that are various, starting with enhanced visibility and more comfortable rides during winter. The spray melts ice, snow, and frost almost immediately. It's safe to use on paint and glass and doesn't leave any residue. You can apply it on headlights, locks, and windows in any weather, including extremely low temperatures. Additionally, the liquid sprays and wipes off easily, so you'll be done with the cleanup rather quickly. Keep in mind, though, that you might run out of the spray if you use it daily. That's not very cost-efficient because the product sells only in small bottles. Some buyers also had issues with the cap. You might want to double-check whether it works before application to avoid accidental spills.